Hello everyone, NTVMB here, and today I'm going to show you how to emulate a CPU in VirtualBox. Before we get into the command, let's do an example. So, I have this Windows 98 VM right here. The site technically, this driver is on it, and VTX and AMD are enabled. Now, I'm on an AMD processor, and normally, this would result in a Windows protection error due to the CPU being too fast. But when I start up the VM, if it'll boot, it works just fine and boots up quickly. And you can hear the beautiful Windows 98 startup sound. Alright, so now let's shut down this VM, and I'm gonna open up a command prompt. Now you want to go to wherever VirtualBox is installed. So for me, it's in C:\program files /oracle /VirtualBox, and then you want to run this command. Now VM name can be the name of whatever VM you have. In this case, it's Windows 98. So the command is VBoxManage modifyvm VM name --CPU profile and then the CPU name in quotes, Intel Core i5-3570. Now, from what I know about this command is that you can do every known CPU to VirtualBox. So as an example, you can do you can emulate an Intel Core i5 with this command. And this is actually the easiest NDIS fix to do on a Windows 98 VM in VirtualBox. Not a lot of people know about it. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!